Hello, my friend. Welcome to T9B English Channel. My name is Tamim. I am a student. Today, I have a very simple and powerful English story for you. If you listen carefully and repeat, your English listening will improve very fast. This story is made for beginners. The sentences are short. The words are easy. You can understand. You can speak. You can learn. Now, listen. What if I told you that just one simple story can help you understand English better every day? Yes, this is true. When you listen to simple stories again and again, your brain starts to understand English naturally. So relax, listen, and enjoy the story. Let's start. This is a story about a boy. His name is Rahim. Rahim is a student. He lives in a small city. He has a simple life. Every day he tries to learn English. He is not perfect, but he does not stop. He keeps trying. One day, Rahim wakes up early in the morning. He opens his eyes. He looks at the clock. It is 6:30 in the morning. He feels a little sleepy, but he gets up. He sits on his bed. He stretches his arms. He takes a deep breath. He says, "Today I will practice English." Rahim goes to the bathroom. He washes his face. The water is cold. He feels fresh. He brushes his teeth slowly. He looks in the mirror. He smiles and says, "I can learn English." He goes to his room. He opens the window. Fresh air comes in. The sky is blue. The morning is quiet. He feels calm. He takes his phone. He plays a simple English audio. He listens carefully. He does not understand everything, but he listens again. He listens slowly. He repeats some words. He says, "Hello. How are you? I am fine." He practices again and again. He is happy. After that, Rahim goes to the kitchen. His mother is there. She smiles. She says, "Good morning." Rahim says, "Good morning." He tries to speak in English. He says, "I am hungry." His mother laughs a little. She says, "Very good." Rahim eats breakfast. He eats bread and eggs. He drinks tea. He sits quietly. He thinks in English. He says in his mind, "This is bread. This is tea. I am eating." He feels proud. After breakfast, Rahim gets ready for school. He wears his clothes. He takes his bag. He checks his books. He says, "I am ready." He leaves the house. He walks on the street. He sees people. He sees cars. He hears sounds. He walks slowly. He thinks in English.
He says, "I am walking. I see a car. I see a man. He goes to school. He meets his friend. His friend's name is Kareem. Kareem says, 'Hello, Rahim.' Rahim says, 'Hello.' Kareem asks, 'How are you?' Rahim smiles and says, 'I am fine.' He feels happy. In class, the teacher comes. The teacher says, 'Today we learn English.' Rahim listens carefully. The teacher speaks slowly. Rahim understands some words. He writes in his notebook. He practices. He is not afraid. He tries to speak. Sometimes he makes mistakes, but he does not stop. He says, "It is okay." After school, Rahim goes home. He feels a little tired, but he remembers his goal. He wants to learn English. He sits on his bed. He opens his notebook. He reads simple sentences. He reads slowly. He reads aloud. He says, I am a student. I like English. I study every day. He repeats again and again. He practices speaking. In the evening, Rahim watches a short English video. The video is simple. The speaker talks slowly. Rahim listens carefully. He pauses the video. He repeats the sentences. He copies the sound. He copies the voice. He says, I wake up. I go to school. I eat food. He smiles. He feels better. At night, Rahim takes his phone. He records his voice. He says, Today I learn English. I feel good. I practice a lot. He listens to his voice. He hears mistakes, but he also hears progress. He says, I am getting better. He feels proud. Before sleeping, Rahim writes in his notebook. He writes 3 sentences. Today I studied English. I listened to a story. I spoke some words. He closes his notebook. He lies on his bed. He looks at the ceiling. He thinks, tomorrow I will practice again. He smiles. He closes his eyes. He sleeps. Day by day, Rahim improves. He understands more. He speaks more. He feels more confident. He is not perfect, but he is better than before. And this is the secret. Small steps every day. Simple practice every day. No fear, no stop. Just practice. Just try. Just repeat. And you, yes, you can do the same. You can listen. You can repeat. You can learn. You can speak English. Just start today. Just start now. If you like this simple English story, like this video and subscribe to T9B English Channel. Listen again, repeat again, practice every day. I would like to finish here today. See you again some other day.